Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is not going to be a vlog today. We're actually going to do a different kind of video. Since it's almost 5 o'clock, I didn't film anything today. But, what we're going to be doing is... What?
I actually have to go to school tomorrow.
Yeah, Roman has to go to school tomorrow, but I have the day off. But he has a early release. But anyways, we're going to do an RC car battle, and I'll, put the GoPro on a mount on one of the RCs, but then I'll also put my phone on the tripod. And we're going to do, like, spin-out battles and maybe a demolition derby or something like that.
Yeah, we could. I'm going to get my other car up for that.
We'll just do stuff with RC cars, basically. Like, I might even get this one out later. The 30-mile-per-hour one, but it's charging right now. But, yeah, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I thought about just trying something new. I strapped a GoPro. Well, not strapped. I mounted up the GoPro on this RC.
I mounted up the
Well, Roman did, I guess. So, yeah, we'll see how this works. Let me get it nice and adjusted.
And we got a Stella Ruby here today.
And it should be good. Okay, I'm recording on it now. I'll have scenes from this, and I'll have scenes from the GoPro.
And if you guys are wondering, Stella's middle name is Ruby.
Okay, I'm recording on it now. I'll have scenes from this, and I'll have scenes from the GoPro. I'm just gonna drive it around. Oh god.
What do you want to do?
Just driving it around.
I'm going to spin you out. If I don't spin out. I think... See, you already wrecked it, so...
What?
If you can tell, my RC is faster than his, obviously.
Let's run it out. I'm gonna take it outside and I'll go driving around out there
Yeah, without me.
with the GoPro.
I'm sick, guys.
Now he's just playing hooky.
Okay, we're gonna have a spin out battle. It starts in 3, 2, 1. Did that count as a spin out? Ready?
What?
Did that count as a spin out?
Alright guys, so we are now at this road that's pretty far from town. It's just kind of out here and nobody really ever drives on it, and this is a cul-de-sac area. And we are going to drive the RC with the GoPro. I wish I could bring my 30-mile-per-hour one out here, which I will, but it's not charged right now. Hopefully we have time to bring it out here before it gets too dark. But anyways, we're going to drive that around with the GoPro on it. I'll drive it outside, and then I might just sit in the car and drive it. So, hopefully you enjoy. Alright, it's recording. Is this up all the way?
So we're driving along with the car.
This is hilarious.
And you're going way too fast for me. I'm gonna have to stick my head out the window.
So this car was like 5 miles an hour according to my car. Not even.
I'm gonna drop it and run over it.
Oh, I ran over it.
I wish we got a tripod. Got a pig nose. My hands are. This is like the bone chilling cold.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the car off.
Like I need gloves. Bye, go, bone chilling, freezing. Look at that. I know I wear short sleeves and shorts every day, but still, this is so cold. Okay, go!
I got the heater on.
Go!
Flash.
I know, and it's still no. My
Oh,
hand.
stay on that side.
Oh, what? Okay.
I should have said that earlier, sorry.
Yeah, you said roll up the window. Here, can we take a break so I can warm up my hands?
Yeah. Well, guys, it happened again. I ruined that RC car completely. I hit a curb at probably half speed, and that's my results. It completely came off. Yeah, this is connected. This wheel's fine. It's all connected here, but this one, however, is completely broken. And I broke it the first time, and I was able to fix it with duct tape or Gorilla Tape. But this time, it's completely broken. See how the part broke up? I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but broke right there. And there's no way we're gonna be able to get it fixed. So I'll keep you guys updated on what I end up doing, like if I get a new one or not. So yeah, I'm pretty pissed off about it, but at least I got some scenes with the other cars. I don't know if I got one of that one, of this one. But if you go watch my other videos, I had some scenes of it. Well, I had some films of it, but I might get another one, but I have to pay for it with my own money, so I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I have some saved up right now, but I'm just not sure yet, so. Anyways, that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a little bit different, so. If you did, let me know. If you want me to do more videos, like with RC cars and stuff like that. If I don't break anymore, just tell me, so. I'll probably do another one like this, though, but hopefully you enjoyed. So, again, thanks for watching.